Welcome to ZJ International and congratulations on purchasing yourself a Builder Pro system. This system tells me that you are serious about building a business, serious about your health, and serious about doing something for your future. So I'm going to quickly go over with you what's inside this kit, how it's meant to be utilized, whether it's for you and your personal use or whether it's a tool for you to help go start building your business and start GQing, which is getting qualified. But first and foremost, what you're going to see inside of your Builder Pro is you are going to find yourself 3 of these basic 30 systems. This is really what the whole natural health revolution falls around, if you will. And so I'm going to just quickly go over this. You guys, I have gone into serious depth in a video on just the basic 30, so feel free to take a look at that. But you guys, what I want you to see is the beautiful branding behind what ZJ International has done with these basic 30 systems. These boxes are to show you and your customers exactly why our moringa is different, how to utilize them, what to do to take full advantage of these. But so inside of your basic 30, you're going to see 2 little boxes. They have little slide outs, super easy to use, perfect to just go set on your pantry so that you can see your product that you're going to use every day. And this system was really designed with an ABC sort of thought in mind to quickly, every day, have access to the products that are going to change your health over the next 30 days. And so you personally, building a business, want to make sure you utilize the products correctly so that you can have a story, because those stories, they say, guys, facts tell, stories sell. So use the products correctly. ABC, accelerate. So you want to accelerate your detox, accelerate your metabolism. Build, you want to build your cellular health and your immune system with your moringa oleifera. And you want to C, control, ABC, control your appetite, control the things that you're putting in your mouth, and really just help not overeat. If you're a sweet person, this will help you not grab the sweets. If you're a salty person, it'll help you not grab the salt. But utilize these things every single day, set them on your counter. The cool thing about it is if you have more questions on it, it tells you what to do with the products right on the packaging, so you can tell. The other thing that's going to come in with your basic system is trim and tone oil. You can use that in a bunch of ways. You can use it internally. You can also use it topically. But so why in the world, if you are getting started, is there more than one basic system in here? Really good question. All right, so here's your basic system. That one's just for you. Inside of your kit, you've got 2 more basic systems. If you are married or you're a couple and there's 2 of you in the household, feel free to, woohoo, both of you get to get on a basic system. Basic 30s for both of you. Stories for both of you, enough for 30 days for both of you guys to get your bodies on track. What do you do with this 3rd one? This is how you start to duplicate your business. This is how you go out and what we call GQ, which is get qualified, and enroll 2 people. Enrolling 2 people, customer or distributor, on a ZRP, which is our rewards program, our auto ship, if you will, the products that come every month, on a basic system or higher, will start to trigger out bonuses for you. But so imagine this. Imagine tomorrow you go and you want to share this with your best friend. And you're like, oh my gosh, I already started my basic system. I'm feeling so good. I've got more energy. I feel really clean. And you go sit down with your best friend and you're like, here's your basic 30. Let's get you started on whichever kit makes the most sense for you. And you can leave this kit with them. And they can already get started on their product story. And you just tell them, when your kit gets in, then you replace this Builder 30 for me, or this basic 30 for me, and I can go share it with somebody else. And so you just keep those extra basic 30s that are inside of your kit for you to go GQ with. And then what you'll notice inside of your kit as well, woohoo, is 10 sample kits. 10 sample kits. You'll actually, if you're a single person, you'll end up with 11 because there's a sample kit right here. And if you're a couple and you've got 2 basic systems right here, you'll end up with 12 sample kits. So if you're gonna go run a meeting, or maybe you have a home ZJ party and some of your friends come over, maybe some of them get started in the business, but maybe there's a few of them that want to sample the products. This is a perfect place to do this. So this is 4 days of the basic 30 system, including the trim and tone oil. So you can let them walk away with 4 days of a sample, and on that 4th day you call them up, you're like, how are you feeling? You're feeling amazing, let's get you a kit. and you can start to GQ with them. All right, you're also gonna end up with a bag of Ripstick Limitless. This Limitless is life. This is focus and energy like you've never had before. I love it. Sometimes I'll even mix a Ripstick Limitless in with my super mix that comes inside of my basic 30. I love that. It's limey. I love it. I also eat it like a pixie stick. Not everybody does that. Not for the faint at heart. You also get Hydrate. Hydrate is our electrolyte drink. So this, think of all those sugar-laden electrolyte drinks that are out there on the market. You can wipe off the red dye 40 and all of the things out of your life and replace it with 1 sachet of Ripstick's Hydrate every single day, all of your electrolytes. It's even, you guys, it's so natural that even the coloring in here comes from elderberries and beets, so nothing caca, if you will, inside of it for your household. Your kids will love it. My kids hoard this stuff. They all drink it every single day. So you can utilize that rather than your ones that are on the market. And then you also get your trimmer bottle, which is for you to shake up your super mix every single morning down the hatch as you are starting to live your life unlimited and get healthy with the natural health revolution. So that's your Builder Pro. It's meant for you to get started on some of the products, be introduced to the amazing world of Zija International, and then also have 1 kit if you're a couple, or 2 kits if you're a single person, to start going to have some meetings and sharing the natural health revolution with your friends and family and be able to leave them with a basic 30 so that you can start to GQ and make your money back. Don't forget, guys, any kit you get started on and you go build a business with, any kit that you get enrolled on, if you go out and you GQ twice, so that means enroll 2, if you GQ 2 times on your kit that you enrolled on or higher, you will make your money back. My suggestion is to go GQ twice in your first week, make your money back, and then teach that whole team how to do the exact same thing. And then remind your customers that maybe just want to do a basic 30, that if they'll go share their little sample kit that comes in their basic 30 with other people, they can now start to enroll, refer, and enroll customers and start to earn a free auto ship here at Zija International. So those are all a little bit of tidbits. That's how I would utilize my Builder Pro if I had one. I hope this was helpful. Share it with anybody who might need it. And if you start to enroll other people on Builder Pros, give them this video so that they know what to do as they get started as well. Have a great day, guys.